Sound is one of the 5 human senses, but in Counter-Strike Global Offensive, it's one of the 2 that you will need. Here I give you an unrefined example of what happens if you do not have an audio system available at home, be it in the form of speakers or a headset.
There is a sniper here. I need backup. I'm being crushed.
Counter-terrorists win.
Counter-Strike Global Offensive supports a very dynamic sound system. Thus, it is in everyone's best interest to purchase a 7.1 surround sound capable headset.
Fire. I need help here.
A general rule of thumb is, any sound that you make in Counter-Strike Global Offensive is something your enemies can hear. Be it switching weapons, firing modes, switching to the bomb, switching to a grenade, not even throwing it, switching to your knife, anything. Please note that running on different surfaces will allow your feet to produce a different sound. But no matter what, whether jumping or landing, your feet will always make the same sound. Here I am about to pull out my knife. This will produce a sound that even enemies can hear. Yet time and again, we see even professional players are unaware of this.
Very nice.
Whether it be out of confusion or the sound of the crowd roaring in excitement, thus drowning out the sound of the switch to the blade, this reason will remain forever unknown. In some situations, such as this 1 versus 3, it's in your best interest to make as little noise as possible. Even footsteps will let your enemy know where your present position is. However, in some scenarios, such as this one, you can see that you may be able to capitalize on the situation, although you may have an inferior weapon, simply by walking or crouching. Walking or crouching eliminates the sound of your footsteps, so your enemy may not know you're around the corner. This is a very simple tactic that I've seen players as high as Master Guardian fail to employ.